Hey guys, welcome back to another Arduino beginners project. Today we're going to be building a simple Siren system using Arduino. I'm going to be showing you all the setup, I'm going to be explaining the code, and I'm going to be showing the full code that we're going to use for this project. And everything is happening right here in Pelox Industries. Without further ado, let's get started. We're going to be needing very few components for this project. We're going to be needing the breadboard, the Arduino Uno, the buzzer. I'm also going to be needing the RGB LED. I'm also going to be needing some resistors for the RGB LED and also some jumper wires. So for the wiring setup, this is what we're going to be using for the wiring setup. Just take your time and look at where each wire are going to on the Arduino board and the breadboard, and you're going to get it. So this is my setup, and I'm going to be plugging into the system so I can upload the code. So this is the code I'm going to be using for this project. You can check the description of this video for the code, for the full code. So you can copy and paste to your system and you're good to go. So after you must have uploaded the code, you should see that your RGB LED is flashing and your buzzer is making the normal siren sound. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, you can put it under the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed this video, you can like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn your notification bell so you won't miss my next project. You can also check out my other Arduino projects on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.